Hi everyone, today we're going to try a spaghetti carbonara. I'm Rob Stubbs and welcome to my kitchen. Traditionally would have been done with a guanciale, which apparently we can't get it here, or I certainly tried and can't get it, but it's the cheek of a pig. So we'll be using pancetta chopped up finely, Parmesan cheese, some spaghetti, some eggs, pepper, a little bit of salt when we're doing the spaghetti. No cream, but it will be creamy in the end. Try the recipe if you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel because that also keeps me interested and keeps me developing more content. Let's get stuck in. For the sauce, we're just going to crack in 2 eggs because there's only 2 of us, so we're going to crack them in, whisk those up together, and this effectively is going to work out to be the cream, and this will stick to each of the lengths of the spaghetti. Then we're going to add in some of our Parmesan cheese, about 40 grams or so. And just add a little pepper. Great, that's that. Okay, in a cold pan, let's fry off that pancetta. No oil, and all I've added is crushed whole garlic clove in there just to flavour the oil a little bit. Our spaghetti's on, and when I was researching the recipe, a lot of people told me with the spaghetti, or I watched a lot of videos that told me, if the packet says cook for 10 minutes, cook for 1 or 2 minutes less, because the spaghetti will continue to cook when it comes out of the pan and we start putting the sauce together. So to me it makes sense, so I'm going to follow that advice. The recipe varies all over the place. Obviously, the more modern recipes say use egg yolks because it's a creamier consistency, but I think if, 30, 40 years ago, I'm sure the Romans wouldn't have taken the egg yolk. They wouldn't have, what's the point, where would they have thrown the egg white? So I think, in my case, I think whole egg rather than egg yolks. And by Romans I mean Italians, of course, but this is a very popular dish in Rome. This is probably one of the most popular dishes in Rome. Romans love it. Okay, pancetta, nice and brown. Take out your garlic clove at this point, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add a little of the pasta water. Go careful, because remember, in your pan is still hot. And what we're going to do is gradually add your pasta to the mix. add a little bit more water. Mix that all in. Pan off at this point. Then add your egg mixture. Whisk. Let me turn around so you can see it go in. There we go. And just continue mixing that in, because what you don't want is scrambled eggs. And the spaghetti will gradually melt all of that cheese in. Lovely. Right, nothing left to do other than dish up. Just finish it off with some Parmesan shavings. There you go, very easy, very straightforward. Not too many ingredients. Perfect dinner. And like I say, give it a go. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Tell me how you got on in the comments below. Consider subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.